Do you have joint pain? Do you feel your joints becoming stiffer and have difficulty with simple movements like standing up? Today's video is for you. We'll teach you an excellent natural remedy to eliminate joint pain and reduce stiffness, improving your mobility and providing relief. Pain and joint stiffness is a common complaint among many people and can be a symptom of a variety of conditions, including arthritis, injuries, infections, overweight, trauma, natural joint wear and tear. This condition can affect any part of the body, such as shoulders, elbows, hands, hips, knees, and ankles. When people experience this pain, they often seek medical help. However, some self-medicate with over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs. Taking medication without a prescription can be dangerous for several reasons, such as side effects, health risks, masking symptoms, dependency. There are numerous home remedies that can help relieve pain. One of them is peppermint tea. It's known for its refreshing and aromatic properties, but it can also be an effective natural remedy for joint pain. Peppermint contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as rosmarinic acid, which can help reduce joint inflammation. It also has natural analgesic properties that can assist in relieving joint pain. Furthermore, peppermint tea can help relax muscles, which might reduce tension in the joints and alleviate pain. A Canadian study from the University of Guelph investigated the effects of high rosmarinic acid peppermint tea on individuals with osteoarthritis. Participants drank peppermint tea twice a day for 16 weeks. After this period, it was concluded that they showed a significant improvement in knee pain and stiffness. Peppermint tea can be a natural option to relieve joint pain and stiffness due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves, juice of half a lemon, 300 milliliters of water. How to prepare: boil the water, turn off the heat, add the peppermint, mix well, and leave it covered for 10 minutes. Strain and add the juice of half a lemon. Stir well, and it's ready. The best time to drink this tea is before meals. However, it's important to remember that peppermint tea may not be the definitive solution for all types of joint pain. In moderate doses, peppermint tea is considered safe and typically doesn't have side effects, so why not give it a try? But if the pain remains persistent or severe, it's always advisable to see a doctor for proper evaluation and treatment. Did you know that we have several other natural remedies to help treat joint pain? One of the favorites among our subscribers is the one we demonstrate in the video shown above.